Most freelancers think they need expensive software subscriptions to build voice AI agents for clients. I am about to walk you through exactly how to build a $497 voice AI setup using completely free tools, the same process you would use with a paying client. What you are watching right now is the leverage moment most service providers miss, and by the end of this video, you will know the exact technical stack and pricing framework to replicate this service without spending a single dollar on monthly software fees. My name is Paul James, and I help freelancers and consultants turn AI tools into profitable service businesses. What I am going to walk you through today is the complete technical process for building voice AI agents using only free tools, the same process you can use when you land your first client. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem. Most business owners think voice AI requires expensive platforms like Synthflow or Vapey, and they either overpay agencies or skip the opportunity completely. The truth is that voice AI agents are becoming a standard customer service tool, and businesses are willing to pay premium prices for them. But when you tell a potential client the setup requires a $200 monthly subscription before you even start building, you lose the deal or you eat the cost yourself. Neither option makes sense when free alternatives exist that deliver the exact same results. This is where something I call the zero investment voice system comes into play. The zero investment voice system is my framework for building fully functional voice AI agents using only free tools and APIs. It proves that you can charge premium prices for services without expensive software overhead. The system has three core layers. First, the voice interface layer, which handles speech recognition and text-to-speech. Second, the intelligence layer, which processes conversations and makes decisions. Third, the integration layer, which connects everything to the client's existing systems. All three layers can be built without spending money on monthly subscriptions. Let me walk you through exactly how to build this type of system. Imagine you have a client who runs a home services business and needs a voice AI agent to handle appointment scheduling calls. They are getting 20 to 30 inbound calls per day, and they are missing about 40% of them because their team is already on other calls or out in the field. Every missed call is a missed customer, and in their industry, that adds up to thousands of dollars in lost revenue every single month. Here is where things get wild. You can build them a voice AI agent that answers every call, qualifies the lead, checks availability, and books appointments directly into their calendar. The entire system runs on free tools. For the voice interface layer, you use Google's free text-to-speech API and speech recognition API. Google gives you a generous free tier every month that handles way more volume than most small businesses need. For the intelligence layer, you use Claude through Anthropic's API, which has a free tier that is more than enough for appointment scheduling logic. For the integration layer, you use Make.com, which has a free plan that lets you run 1,000 operations per month. Most people never realize this part. The $497 you charge a client is not for software subscriptions. It is for your time building the system, creating the conversation flows, testing the logic, and integrating everything with their existing booking calendar. The client is paying for expertise and implementation, not for access to expensive platforms. This is the business model shift that changes everything for freelancers and consultants. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. When you build voice AI agents with free tools, your profit margins are completely different than traditional agency models. Traditional agencies charge clients $2,000 to $5,000 for voice AI setups, but $1,000 to $2,000 of that goes straight to software subscriptions and platform fees. When you use free tools, you keep the entire service fee. A $497 project with zero software overhead is pure profit minus your time. That is how you scale a service business without scaling your expenses. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. I thought I needed to learn every expensive platform before I could offer AI services to clients. That mindset kept me stuck for months. Here is how the client walkthrough process would work. You start by mapping out their current call flow. What questions do they ask callers? What information do they need to book an appointment? What are the common objections or edge cases? You spend about an hour on a call with the client documenting their process. Then you build the conversation logic in Claude. You create prompts that handle greeting the caller, asking qualifying questions, checking calendar availability, and confirming appointment details. The entire conversation flow lives in about 15 prompts that you can adjust as the client's needs change. Next, you set up the voice interface using Google's APIs. Text-to-speech converts Claude's responses into natural-sounding voice audio. Speech recognition converts the caller's voice into text that Claude can process. Both APIs have free tiers that handle several hours of conversation per month. For a small home services business taking 30 calls per day, the free tier covers everything with room to spare. Then you use make.com to connect everything together. When a call comes in, Make triggers the speech recognition, sends the text to Claude, gets the response, converts it to speech, and plays it back to the caller. The whole loop happens in under 2 seconds, which feels completely natural to the person on the phone. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. The real value in voice AI services is not the technology. The technology is free and getting easier every month. The real value is understanding the client's business well enough to build conversation flows that actually work. Most business owners do not have time to learn APIs and build integrations. They just want a solution that handles their calls and books appointments. When you can deliver that solution without expensive software overhead, you become the obvious choice compared to agencies charging 5 times more for the same outcome. Let me give you a concrete example of what this could look like in practice. Say you are helping a local retailer who wants to set up an e-commerce store. You could use this exact zero investment voice system framework to build a lead qualification voice agent. When potential clients call, the voice AI asks them about their current setup, their timeline, and their budget range. By the time you actually talk to the prospect, you already know if they are a good fit or not. You could build the entire system in one afternoon using free tools, and it would save you about 10 hours per week on unqualified sales calls. That is 10 hours you can spend on actual client work or building more services. Here's another angle that makes this even more powerful for agency owners. Once you build a voice AI system for one client, you can replicate 90% of it for the next client in the same industry. The conversation logic changes slightly, but the technical infrastructure stays the same. Your second client project takes a quarter of the time, but you can still charge the same $497 because the client does not care how long it took you to build. They care that it solves their problem. By your 5th or 6th client in the same niche, you are delivering these projects in a few hours while charging premium rates. Picture this. You are a freelancer who just landed a client in the medical office space. They need a voice AI agent to handle appointment reminders and cancellations. You use the zero investment voice system to build them a solution with Google's free APIs, Claude, and Make.com. You charge them $500 for the setup. They are thrilled because they were quoted $3,000 by a traditional agency. You just made $500 in pure profit with maybe 6 hours of work. Now imagine you do this twice per week. That is $4,000 per month in recurring project income without any software overhead eating into your margins. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You have a service you can offer to any business that handles phone calls. You can position yourself as the affordable alternative to expensive voice AI platforms. You can build a portfolio of client projects that generate word-of-mouth referrals. And you are doing all of this without monthly software costs that cut into your profits every single month. The businesses that need voice AI are everywhere. Dental offices, law firms, real estate agents, home service companies, e-commerce stores, consulting firms. Any business that takes phone calls is a potential client for this service. And because you are using free tools, you can charge competitive rates that make you the obvious choice compared to agencies locked into expensive platform subscriptions. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income.